Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the MetaTrader 4 platform using your cell phone, whether that's iPhone or Android, and using our broker, Vantage Markets. Perfect ito sa mga beginners, so don't worry, I'll guide you in a step-by-step process. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is only for learning purposes. I'm not giving any financial advice and I'm not telling you what to trade. Remember, trading involves risk and you should only use money you can afford to lose. First step is kailangan mo mag-register sa ating broker which is Vantage Markets. I'll leave the registration link sa description ng video na to para makasunod ka. After mo mag-register, you'll receive an email with your live MetaTrader 4 account details. Make sure to save that email kasi gagamitin natin siya mamaya. Next, i-download mo ang MetaTrader 4 app. You can find it on the App Store or Google Play, depende kung anong phone ang gamit mo. Once downloaded, just open the app. Pagbukas ng app, simply go to the settings, click new account or log in to existing account. Now, input the server name provided in the email, pati ang login at password. Tip lang, make sure i-click mo yung save the details para hindi ka na paulit-ulit mag-login mamaya. Kapag naka-login ka na, go to the quotes tab. Here, you will see a list of currency pairs kasama ang bid price, ask prices nila. For example, let's tap Euro USD. May lalabas na options dito, trade, chart, and details. Now, let's tap chart. Makikita mo dito ang candlestick chart ng Euro USD. This chart shows the price movement over time. So, very useful ito when you do your analysis. If gusto mo mag-trade, click the trade button sa upper right corner ng screen. And pagpasok mo sa order window, makikita mo dito yung lot size, stop loss, and take profit. For this example, I'll use 0.01 as my lot size. Ilalagay ko manually ang stop loss at take profit levels ko. Then I'll press buy to place my trade. After we place our trade, punta ka sa trade tab. Dito mo makikita ang mga open trades mo. Usually, pag bagong bukas mo, makikita mo negative value agad. Don't worry because normal lang yan. Spread ang tawag doon. Kapag nahit na ang take profit or stop loss, punta ka sa history tab. Makikita mo doon kung profit ba o loss ang trade mo. In this example, which is a very good one, nag-profit tayo sa Euro USD. So basically, this is a good trade. And that's it. Ganun lang kadali, ganun lang kasimple mag-navigate sa MetaTrader 4 platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and use the link below para makapagsimula ka. Thank you for watching guys. Happy trading and God bless.